Organ donation and you. Important changes to the law in England. What important changes are being made to organ donation in England that you need to know about? What should you do if you want to donate your organs when you die? What should you do if you do not want to donate your organs when you die? What should you tell your family and friends? Can your family override any decision you make about organ donation? This is a patient medical information presentation in conjunction with community legal education. Question 1. What are the reasons given why the government decided to change the law on organ donation in England? An NHS report states that every day around 3 people die in need of an organ because not enough organs are available for transplant. However, only 1% of people die in circumstances that would allow them to donate. The law is being changed to help save and improve more lives. Question 2. How is organ donation law changing in England? Spring 2020, all adults in England will be considered to have agreed to be an organ donor when they die unless they have recorded a decision not to donate, they have expressed a clear wish not to donate, or they're in one of the excluded groups. The new system of organ donation is commonly referred to as an opt-out system because you'll need to opt out of donating your organs. Question 3. Are the laws on organ donation the same across the whole UK? There are different laws on organ donation in Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. So please check the law on organ donation in these countries. Question 4. What if there is no recorded decision whether you want to donate or not? After 2020, the law changes, and this means if there is no recorded decision for you on the NHS organ donor register, it will be presumed that you agree to be an organ donor when you die. However, adults covered by the change in the law will still have a choice about whether they want to be an organ donor. You will need to express a clear wish not to be an organ donor in a will, or to treating doctors, or to family and friends. Question 5. How should you use the NHS organ donor register? It is best, therefore, to use the NHS organ donor register as a place to express your decision about being an organ donor or not. So if you do not want to be an organ donor, you should register a refuse to donate decision on the NHS organ donor register. Alternatively, if you do want to be an organ donor, you can choose to donate some or all of your organs, then register this decision on the NHS organ donor register. Question 6. What should you tell your family and friends? After your death and where it is unclear whether you wanted to be an organ donor or not, the doctors are required to consult with your family about whether you wanted to donate your organs and to find out your express wish on the subject. So it is very important to have those conversations now with your family to make sure whatever your decision, your choice is honoured. If you're a member of a faith or a non-faith group with rules which may disagree with organ donation, this will not be an automatic reason to opt out of changes to the law. Question 7. Will my family still be asked about donating my organs after spring 2020? Yes, the family of a potential donor will always be approached to discuss the option of organ and tissue donation. This helps to make sure that any decision recorded on the NHS organ donor register is your latest known decision. Question 8. Can my family overrule my decision to donate my organs after my death? In short, yes. Despite your wish to donate organs, the medical staff will not take steps to donate your organs without the support of your next of kin. It's important, therefore, to speak with your family about your decision. Question 9. Which groups are excluded from the change of law? The following groups are excluded from the change in law: those under the age of 18, people who lack the mental capacity to understand the new arrangements and take the necessary action, visitors to England and those not living here voluntarily, and people who have lived in England for less than 12 months before their death. Question 10. What should you consider doing now? Whether you want to donate or not, because of the new opt-out system, please consider registering your decision on the organ donor register, telling your family about your decision so they respect your decision, and you're strongly recommended to put your decision clearly in writing, for example in your will. Thanks for watching.